Hi everyone, this is Miss Tang here, and today we are going to learn how to write a conclusion for a persuasive text. And this is because we need to remind our audience of our point of view, reasons, and have an exciting ending. So, this is our success criteria. So, in your conclusion, you need to recap what your point of view is, you need to review what your ideas were, and also have an exciting ending. All right, this is what a good one looks like. So I've included some strong sentence starters in here so that we can pick and choose. And also we need to remember to go back to our brainstorm because our brainstorm is really important to have a look at. All our ideas and arguments are in there. And if you haven't already, I have a video on how to write argument, introduction, and how to brainstorm. All right, let's get started. So for our conclusion, let's have a look at our criteria. You need to recap what your point of view is. So you get to start off with a strong sentence starter. So you can use one of these, or you can use one of these sentence starters. Now, because it is the conclusion, I'm going to start off with in conclusion, comma, and then you can think about how you are going to answer your persuasive topic. So go back. So this is the persuasive topic. It's all families should own a pet, and you can think about strong sentence starter that you can include in there. So I'm going to do in conclusion. You can do I strongly believe. Others must agree that. Let's do in conclusion. There is no doubt that. So in conclusion, comma, there is no doubt that, and then you go back to your topic. So your topic is all families should own a pet. So you can say, in conclusion, there's no doubt that, say, everyone must own a pet, full stop. And that's your recap of your point of view done. The next one is your review of your ideas. So this is where you've got to include your argument 1, 2, and 3. And this is very similar to your introduction as well. So remember in your introduction, in your conclusion, you also put your point of view, but this is where you previewed your ideas. So you do the exact same for your conclusion and you review your ideas. So instead of previewing, you're going to review it back, okay? Because you're going to remind your audience. So you can use any strong sentence starter from this list or from your own, or you can use this is vital or clear or obvious as, and then you put in your 1, 2, and 3 arguments. So this is where you've got to go back to your brainstorm. Okay, let's pick. I'm going to pick this is obvious. So this is obvious as, so you'll need to remember, or you can say because, and then you go back to your argument 1, 2, and 3. So you've got to include something about responsibility, health, and protection in that sentence. So this is obvious as you will learn responsibility from owning a pet, comma, because you're moving on to your next argument, become happier and healthier. So that's your second argument. And now you put in your last argument about protection, and they will provide us with protection. Full stop. And that's our review of ideas done. The next thing we're going to do is our exciting ending. So you can use a rhetorical question. You can also use a call to action as well. Okay, so you can use wouldn't you want to, don't you think it would be great if, the time has come, or we must now. Like you could say, Wouldn't you want to be more responsible? Wouldn't you want to do more exercise? Wouldn't you want to be healthier? Wouldn't you want to spend more time with friends and family? Wouldn't you want to be protected? Yeah, wouldn't you want to be happier? What should we do? We could do, wouldn't you want to, or you could do, don't you think it would be great if? So we could go, don't you think it would be great if, so you can use any of these, if you always had a friend. You always had a friend, question mark. And then you can leave it at that, or you can also add on as well. So you can do a call to action like, so get a pet today. You won't regret it, full stop. And there is your conclusion. So your first sentence is your recap of your point of view. Your second sentence has all of your three arguments, so that's your review of your ideas. And your last sentence or sentences are your exciting ending. And that's how you write a conclusion. There. Alright, in my next video I'm going to talk about how to include language features to strengthen your arguments, and also later on how to self-assess and revise and edit your persuasive text. Alright, so this is how you do your conclusion. Good luck with yours, and see you in my next video. Bye.